Hello, my VCRCN brothers and sisters. How are you? I hope you all are doing fine. Today, we have the advisory panel of our very own website vcrc.in. So, let's see what they have to say about this website. As the website vcrc.in has been launched recently, so I would like to ask you that what is the utility of vcrc.in to pan India VCRCNs?
When I remember these 27 years that have passed with railways and the bonhomie, the brotherhood that I have got from these people is the act of organizing cricket matches, certain sports events, the annual meets, even at a cost which is not imaginable. We have our own LDC preparation groups, and I must compliment the way people are organizing and collecting data and the way they are wanting to progress with railways. I am different as a VCRCN from other people in railways. I own railways. I love them. I have a lot of sentiments attached to them. I fully understand that the batches were discontinued, the course was discontinued after a fan and fair of say 10-11 years. But still, nonetheless, I am proud that my friends have gone on to become civil servants. They have become ISS, they have become IPSs, IRS. I am in touch with a few of them. Some people have gone higher level to become judicial magistrates and all. Some people have left railways and have done good with the corporate industry. One of my friends, he in fact started his own advertisement firm, and he is now also into very good and sweet mythological storytelling. Must appreciate him for all such kind of creative works. People in income tax, people as inspectors and superintendents in customs, income tax, audit. I just cannot say how much the people in this segment have progressed enormously. Coming to the reference which has been given to me, the VCRCN site, certainly not only the idea of a site development but also the effort and the knowledge which was required to assimilate together a portal of this kind and having an intention to manage it through for the benefit exclusively of VCRCNs is certainly a very noble act, an act which needs to be appreciated at the national forum. This site, as I have gone through it, is wonderful. People are allowed to express themselves, their views. They get lot of MCQs where they can actually get their preparations done. They have an update section of all the policies that are coming and that are being issued by railways. They have discussion forums. Once you discuss them, certainly it gets inherent to you. You learn them, you imbibe them, all those things. This was much needed, and I must appreciate each and everyone in the team who has been contributing to the success of this website. I give all my best wishes and even the cooperation for having a successful web portal remaining. I would certainly imagine that one day people in railways and even outside would actually understand the value of such portal, and everybody would want to get associated with us.
Let's come to the question of utility of VCRC.in. Frankly speaking, when in the year 2010, when I had cleared my LDC, I didn't find, or at that time there was no such website like VCRC.in or no such WhatsApp groups, etc., from which we could gather some study mats to do in the exam well. Right now, what I see, all the LDC aspirants who all are trying for ACM or ACO have got a good platform like VCRC.in, from where they are going to get all the materials which are in their ACM examination. And this VCRC.in website has brought all of us in a common platform in a pan-India level, which was not available earlier. In addition to that, this VCRC.in has many such additional features like the photo gallery of national meets, zonal meets, VPL, which I like the most, and the new thing which I am not very handsome of is the blog. And last but not the least, it is made by an VCRC and it is for the VCRC.
Global VCRC.in is a website first of its kind in itself, which is programmed specifically to cater to the myriad interests of our VCRCN community. Not only this website embodies the policy circulars issued by the Railway Board from time to time, but also the various instructions, directives issued by the zonal and divisional headquarters of Indian Railways that helps the average railwayman for a more cognitive approach towards working, obviously including our VCRCN brothers, and further a better understanding of the nation.
Please tell us, where do you see VCRC.in 10 years from now?
With the kind of change I personally feel, because we are a dynamic and a vibrating fraternity, VCRCs can certainly be seen to occupy much higher positions. Through the common mode of Group B that is coming, the common examination would actually give lot of people an opportunity to upscale their positions. They will give us good promotional avenues, and we may also want to explore avenues from the engineering side, from operations side, from account side, from personnel side. Let us not restrict ourselves to only these things. The centralized exam gives us an opportunity to use the opportunity to escalate yourself, get good promotional avenues, and work in mutual interest of yourself, the fraternity, and the organization itself. Boss, please live with railways, be loyal to railways, and keep loving railways.
10 years down the line, the main question nowadays is the new policy of the Railway Board regarding the service review at the age of 50. Those who have appointed before the age of 25. We all should pray to God that all our VCRC brothers and sisters, those, as we all know, we have all got the job at the age of 18, and all of our services will be reviewed at the age of 50. We all should get through it. This is my honest prayer to God that this should happen. Otherwise, the things will be very difficult in the coming days. 10 years down the line, this website will act as Aladdin's Chirag to all of us. At any point of time while working in office or anywhere, if we want the help of any of the orders, office orders, any circulars, any letters, we just have to go to the website and click on the icon to get the same. Moreover, the photos which are being uploaded for the national meet, zonal meet, and the VPL will just work as wonders. You think at the age of 50 plus, when I am going to show my daughter, my younger daughter, how good a batsman was I would always go to the website and show the VPL photos.
In such a short span of time that the VCRC.in portal has been online, it has proved already, I believe, to be a runaway success, and I believe it is just going to be much more better in future, as the bar of expectations has already been raised. And in a few years from now, we don't have to wait for 10 years per se, but I think that this is going to be another feather in the cap of our VCRCN community. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now I would like to ask you, which advice did you enjoy giving to the VCRC.in working team?
Yes, the advice that I would like to give is, boss, please remain attributed to Railways. Railways is a wonderful organization. They have given a lot of things to us. With the kind of change that is happening, I personally feel that uh, changes are inherent. We anyways are a very dynamic fraternity. We should not resist change, rather we should ride that boat. Everything that is going to come shall be coming for good. And yes, if you decide to become an early rider, certainly you are going to be the finest gainer. Contribute to the railways. Railways has given us our identity. Railways has given us the employment, the much desired way in which we could actually run our day-to-day life.
Now, what is my advice to the VCRC.in? The day I got the phone call from Arijit Mukherjee and A.N. Royda, it was roundabout in the month of April when all of us were locked up in our room for this COVID-19. The idea was excellent and very unique in itself only. But I had some doubts on them whether they will be able to do it the way they are speaking about. And as and when they were giving me the ideas and the presentation about that, I had some doubts also. But then also I had asked them to add some special features so that everybody is interested in that, and everybody was interested at that time. Was the hot cake was the photographs of the BPL and the old national meets, zonal meets, and lastly they have added some new additions to that, that is blog from the captain's desk. And now they have also introduced the mock question paper of the LDC also. With all these things, they have made this website very interesting and acceptable to all.
As the scope of services being offered by the railways has particularly evolved over the last 2 or 3 decades, my advice to the creative team of the VCRC.in portal will be to similarly evolve or to maintain a holistic approach towards the designing and the content of the portal, much beyond the regular railway transportation sector.